Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're like me and you love to spend time in your kitchen, you definitely need the right equipment. And I want to show you these pot holders from Encasa Home that have been a great addition for me. So this is a set of two 8x8 pot holders. They have this gorgeous quilted design, which is not only beautiful, but also functional because they are super heat resistant. They are a nice thick cotton, and I have not felt any heat coming through these when I've been pulling pans out of the oven or lifting lids off of dishes on the stove. They definitely do their job and they do it well. They are so pretty. I love this navy. This is the Scotch blue color, but you can get these in a bunch of different color options and they are all two-toned, which is just a nice effect. And I love that you can also get matching aprons and oven mitts. So you can get a whole set and totally outfit your kitchen. These are really thoughtfully designed and stitched really, really well. I can tell that they are going to be extremely durable and last for a really long time and just give you that protection that you need. The stitches are super straight. I love the simple design of these. They're gonna go in any kitchen decor and look awesome. Each of them also has a loop, so you can hang these to store them or you can hang them to dry after you clean them. And you're always gonna know where they are and they'll be ready for the next time. So I have been loving these very functional and very well designed pot holders from Encasa Home. I think they're a great option for any kitchen, and that's my point of view.